Hi Ethan, how's your day going?
Hey Sophia, it's been pretty good, thanks for asking. How about you?
Not too bad, just keeping busy with work and studies. By the way, have you ever considered learning a new skill?
Actually, I have. I've been thinking about learning to play a musical instrument. Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano. Learning to play an instrument can be very rewarding. There's a music school offering beginner piano lessons next month. Would you be interested in joining me?
Piano lessons sound like a lot of fun. I'd love to join you. And speaking of music, have you ever been to a live concert?
Yes, I love going to concerts. There's a symphony orchestra performing at the concert hall next weekend. Would you like to come with me?
Live orchestral music sounds amazing. I'm definitely interested. Oh, and have you ever considered trying your hand at cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking and trying out new recipes. There's a cooking class at the community center next week that focuses on Italian cuisine. Would you like to join me?
Italian cooking class sounds delicious. I'd love to join you. And speaking of culinary experiences, have you ever been to a food festival?
Yes, I love exploring different cuisines at food festivals. There's a food festival happening downtown next month with a variety of international dishes. Would you like to check it out?
Trying different foods sounds like a great way to spend the day. I'm in. Oh, and have you ever considered taking up a new sport?
Yes, I enjoy staying active and trying out different sports. There's a tennis club offering beginner lessons starting next week. Would you be interested in joining?
Tennis lessons sound like a lot of fun. I'd love to join you. And speaking of outdoor activities, have you ever been hiking?
Yes, I love hiking and exploring nature. There's a beautiful trail nearby with stunning views. Would you like to go for a hike this weekend?
Hiking sounds like a great way to spend the day outdoors. I'm definitely up for it. Oh, and have you ever been to an art gallery?
Yes, I enjoy exploring different art exhibitions. There's an art gallery downtown with a new exhibit opening next week. Would you like to go together?
Visiting an art gallery sounds like a wonderful way to appreciate creativity. I'm in. So, piano lessons, symphony orchestra concert, Italian cooking class, food festival, tennis lessons, hiking, and art gallery visit. It's going to be a month filled with adventure and new experiences.
Absolutely. I can't wait to explore and try out new things with you, Ethan. Hey David, how's it going?
Hi Emily, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too, just busy with work and some personal projects. By the way, have you ever thought about traveling to different countries?
Yes, I love traveling. Exploring new cultures and experiencing different ways of life is always fascinating. Have you traveled much?
Not as much as I'd like to, but I've been to a few countries in Europe and Asia. There's so much more I want to see though. Speaking of which, have you ever been to a language immersion program?
Yes, I participated in a Spanish immersion program in Spain last year. It was an incredible experience to immerse myself in the language and culture. Would you be interested in joining a program like that?
That sounds amazing. I've always wanted to improve my Spanish. I'll definitely look into it. Oh, and have you ever considered trying out adventure sports?
Absolutely. I love adventure sports like rock climbing and whitewater rafting. There's a rock climbing gym that offers beginner lessons nearby. Would you like to give it a try?
Rock climbing sounds exhilarating. I'm up for the challenge. And speaking of physical activities, have you ever tried yoga?
Yes, I practice yoga regularly. It's a great way to stay active and reduce stress. There's a yoga studio offering a free trial class this weekend. Would you be interested in joining?
Yoga sounds like a wonderful way to relax and unwind. I'd love to try it out. Oh, and have you ever been to a cooking workshop?
Yes, I enjoy cooking and learning new recipes. There's a cooking workshop next month that focuses on Mediterranean cuisine. Would you like to attend with me?
Mediterranean cooking sounds delicious. I'm definitely interested. And speaking of culinary experiences, have you ever been to a food festival?
Yes, I love exploring different cuisines at food festivals. There's a food festival happening downtown next weekend with a variety of international dishes. Would you like to check it out?
Trying different foods sounds like a great way to spend the day. I'm in. Oh, and have you ever considered taking up a new hobby?
Yes, I've been thinking about learning to play the guitar. Music has always been a passion of mine. There's a guitar workshop starting next week. Would you like to join me?
Learning to play the guitar sounds like a lot of fun. I'd love to join you. So, language immersion program, rock climbing lessons, yoga class, cooking workshop, food festival, and guitar workshop. It's going to be a month filled with adventure and new experiences.
Absolutely. I can't wait to explore and try out new things with you, Emily.